So guys, this is what it looks like in a semi-dark room. So as you guys can see, it's pretty awesome. What's up guys? Welcome back to another Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out the UMP-01 gaming mouse pad. So it's RGB. Quickly go over on the back, soft microfiber surface, 14 mode spectrum backlighting, 1800 mm, USB plug and play, rubber based. So let's get started. Let's show you guys what you get and let's go ahead and test it out. I love all things that are RGB, so I'm a big fan. So they give you a little manual, they give you your power cable, and this is it. So for those who are not familiar with these are basically long mouse pads, and you know, they're nice for putting your elbows on, for your hands on. You know, it allows your surface to be used completely as a mouse pad. So this entire surface can be used as a mouse pad. Put your keyboard on. So what we have here, up here, we have the light control in the top corner here. So there's going to be a button there. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your cable here, and you're going to plug one end into your computer, and this end is going to be plugged into the actual mouse pad. Now, you don't have to actually use a computer if you don't want. You can plug this into any USB port. So if you want to build this for, you know, a non-PC setup, you can do that, because a lot of people like these pads for setting stuff on. And to do that, you can use a power bank or any USB port that you want. Let's go ahead and show you guys what this looks like in the dark. You have a button up here in the top. This allows you to change the color. You have multi different colors here. Ooh, man, this is really nice. Do you guys see how the light kind of shines off to the side here? That is really nice. Some of these mats, they just have a little green line, and it's really annoying. We gotta turn our power bank back on here. So yeah, different colors. Purple's pretty awesome. Another type of blue, teal maybe. You got like a yellowish type color. Here you have white. That's pretty awesome. I like that a lot. Here you have mixed colors, so it kind of does a rainbow effect. That's pretty cool. So I like that. If we switch it, now it does kind of a fading effect. So it kind of fades into the different colors, just goes through the motions. Press it again, let's see. So this kind of just jumps multi different color. So one side it's a color, up top it's a color. That's pretty cool. So you definitely got tons of features with this. Here's another setting. So this just kind of transitions a little bit. Pretty cool. And looks like off. And then we go back on. Oh, this one is breathing. Oh, I like that. That's nice. Let's try another mode. I'm telling you guys got tons of modes here. This is insane. This is really insane. For what you get is incredible. Alright, so now we're back to normal. If you guys want to turn this off, you just simply press and hold the button, and that turns it off. Guys, this gets a Scott pass 100%. Absolutely beautiful coloring. I love this. Well worth it.